Welcome back to the channel, guys. Let's In the previous some videos we have designed assembly part. So in upcoming some videos we are going to see some small parts to be designed on the Solidworks. So let's go and start with the front plane and sketch mode. So what we are going to design today is a hook. So for that, what we are going to do, we are going to draw a circle over here of the dimension 64 and another circle inside it of dimension will be I think 32 will be okay. Yeah, and let's draw another two circles over here. So let's go ahead, select the circle, and the circle will be on the same axis line. Apart from that, and the distance between these two will be let's draw first two of the circle. And now for the dimension, let's keep these 125 mm apart, and the dimension of these will be, the first one will be of 30 mm and the second one will be of 15 mm. Yeah, now what we are going to do, we are going to select the line tool, and we are going to just simply select a point somewhere here and connect it like this. And then again, what we will do, we will simply select this line and connect over somewhere here, I think here. Okay, and what we are going to do, we are going to tangent this line from this, select this, or we can go with the fillet one and select this point. It is to fillet, select this line and this line. Wait a minute, first thing first, we have to trim these, and then we have to fillet this. Actually it will not be filleted, this side will be filleted, and again this one too. So what we are going to do, we are going to fillet this part 10 mm, no, actually 15 mm will be sufficient. Keep like that. And one thing, what we are going to do, we are going to select this line and this line and keep the tangent as the dimension, and same with this, select this line and this and go with the tangent property. Okay, it okay. And now what we are going to do, we are going to design the front side of the hook that will be curving from this. So for that, we are going to select the circle and design like this. Not like this. Yeah, like this. And another circle touching the first one, this one, like this. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to, first thing first, we have to select this line and select this line and go with code control. Let me trim this part first. No, actually I will trim it, it will go with like that. mm, this line, tangent, hit OK, and now we can trim this one. I think that's okay. We have to tangent this one too. So for that, what we are going to do, we are going to select this line and this line and go with tangent. Yeah, that's okay. I think so. Let's go with this line, select this line and this line, go with tangent, hit OK, select the trim tool and trim this one too, this one, control Z actually. That trim tool will trim the complete part. And what we are going to do, we are going to curve this to this one. So, and what can we do here? We can select this line and select this line and go with tangent. It will not work because the center is same. So what we are going to do, we are going to delete this and this one too. And now if we go for the properties of this and this, we can go with tangent. No, like not like that. Or what we can do, we can select first point, second point, and we can draw an arc over here, and rest of the part will be trimmed. So let's trim these, and the hook is prepared, but it's not like looking good. So what we can do, we can increase the dimension of this. So for that we can go with this line and we can increase the radius to 36. Now it's looking much better. Or we can carve this too. So for that, select this line, select this line. It's not getting that. What we can do is, or we can go like this. Yes, and then go with the trim tool. Now it's looking much better. So the parts are drawn, I think so. So if we rebuild this and go with the sketch one and go for the feature, will it? Yeah. And what we can do here, go with 25 mm, hit OK. The hook is prepared, but we need curves here. So for that we are going to select the fillet tool, select this edge and this edge, this edge and this edge, and go with 10 mm. Let's see, will it? Yeah, that's looking like much. And this one is left. So what we can do, we can go again with the fillet tool. Let's see, will it curve? Select this one, this one, this one, this one, and from the front side to this one and this one. Let's see, it's causing an error. So what we can do is clear this first. And what we can do here is, if we go with the fillet tool and select this side and this side, is it working? Yeah, now it's looking like a, and this side is also left. For then what we can do, we can go with the edit tool for this one and select this line and this line and hit OK. Okay, let's rebuild it first. Okay, now what we can go with that is, let's see, another fillet tool and select this line and select this line, hit OK. It's still not curving, so fillet expert, item to fillet is this side, apply, feature expert, will it resolve that? Let's see, wait for something. Feature expert was unable to prepare any of the failing features. Okay, that's all right. Go for manual again. And what we can do here, we can leave that part too, by the way, because it's already looking like a. So let's go with appearance. Go for appearance, metal, and generally we use I think iron for that. So go for iron, matte iron, sandblasted iron, cast iron, earth iron. Let's go with the cast iron and complete body in a single iron like color. So let's straighten this, and it's looking like a hook now. So that's all for this video. We will see another part in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.